The hardest part of creating a photo book is deciding where to begin. Your users have hundreds, sometimes thousands of photos ready to be printed, and no clear starting point. So instead of starting from scratch, your users upload their photos into your current system. The integrated MediaViz API analyzes the full collection, removing duplicates and similar shots, curating a print-worthy collection, and organizing everything into a clear story. Instead of sorting through everything, your users get to start with what matters. Once photos are chosen, the hard work is done. And if you have a complimentary autofill solution, their photo book is automatically created, filling in the pre-chosen, organized photos. Allow for a quick review while it's still fresh. Make a few speedy edits, and what usually takes hours takes minutes. The right starting point leads to more completed products, more finished projects, more revenue.